पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। पेज नंबर 998 टीका सेकंड पैराग्राफ। अनुग्राहकम अनुग्राह्य सजातीयम अनुग्राहकत्वात् आदित्यवत् इति अपास्तम। पूर्व पक्षी had done अनुमानम अनुग्राहकम should be अनुग्राह्य सजातीय. So Siddhanti refuted that by showing there is no niyama of sajatiya or vijatiya also. Sajatiya, vijatiya niyamo nasti. It can be anything. Anugrahaka means adityadi jyoti. Anugrahya is sanghata or any vyavahara. So they don't have to be sajatiya only. Apasta. Samprati. अतीन्द्रियत्व हेतोरनैकान्त्यम परोक्तम अनुभाष्य दूषयति। अतीन्द्रियत्व हेतु. पूर्व पक्षी had said that the jyoti, atma jyoti is atindriya. Atindriyatvat, that atindriyatva was hetu. In that Purva Pakshi had shown anaikantikatvam. Anaikantikatvam means
Vyabhichara.
Vyabhichara. What was said by Paroktam? Para here is Charvaka. Charvakaihi Uktam. Anubhashya. Repeating that, Dushayati. Siddhanti is showing Dushanam. Yat punaratha चक्षुरादिभिरादित्यादि ज्योतिर्वत् अदृश्यत्वात् इति अयं हेतुर् ज्योतिरन्तरस्य अन्तस्थत्वं वैलक्षण्यं च न साधयति चक्षुरादिभिः अनैकान्तिकत्वात् इति तदसत्. Siddhanti saying what you said is asat. Yat punah atha iti. Iti at the end of the statement. Chakshuradibhir anaikantikatvat iti yat atha tvaya or tvam. Yat tvam atha. What you said is asat. Asat here means what? What will you understand as asat?
Not true. Not possible.
Asat here does not mean Shashavishanavat asat. Or asat here also doesn't mean something else. Asat here means mithya. That is what is the meaning. Asat. Now what is this anumanam? You see. Chakshuradibihi, that part you leave. Adityadi jyotir vat adrishyatvat iti ayam hetu. Adrishyatvat. Adrishyatva is the hetu. Ayam hetuhu ज्योतिरंतः. This Atma Jyoti, Jyotirantarasya antasthatvam vailakshanyamcha na sadhayati. It is not doing siddhi antasthatvam or vailakshanyam. Vailakshanyam means sanghatat vailakshanyam. Why? There is anaikantikatvam. There is vyabhichara in this hetu. Siddhanti says it is not true. Why? See Purva Paksha now in Tika. This is Purva Paksha Anumanam. Vimatam ज्योतिः संघात धर्मस तद्भाव भावित्वात् रूपादिवत् इति उक्तम अनुद्य निराकरोति. विमतम ज्योतिः. विमतम मीन्स आत्मज्योति. आत्मज्योतिः संघात धर्मः. Atma-jyoti is Purvapakshi saying. Atma-jyoti is also Sanghat Dharma. Charvak, according to them, there is nothing else other than this Sanghata. Atma-jyoti is Sanghata Dharma. Tadbhava bhavitvat. Tadbhava bhavi. Tadbhava bhavi means when Sanghata is there, Atma-jyoti is there. When Sanghata is not there, Atma-jyoti is not there. So Tadbhava bhavitvat Rupadivat. When Sanghata is there, Rupa is there. When Sanghata is not there, Rupa is not there. In the same way, when Sanghata is there, Atma Jyoti will be there. Sanghat, Tad Bhava, Tad means Sanghata Dharma. Sanghata Dharma Bhava Bhavitvat Jyoti. 9 number Tippani. Atma. Jyoti Atma. इति उक्तम अनुद्य निराकरोति. कार्य इन भाष्य. चक्षुरादि करणेभ्यो अन्यत्वे सति इति हेतोर विशेषणत्व उपपत्तेः. चक्षुरादि करणेभ्यो अन्यत्वम. ज्योति इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम संघात. टू प्रूव दैट the adrishyatva, Siddhanti is saying it will not be known through Chakshuradi Karana. Purvapakshi thinks Chakshuradi, they are part of Deha, Charvak. So see what Siddhanti is saying. Chakshuradi Karanebhyo Anyatve Sati iti hetor visheshanatva upapatte. You have to add this in the hetu. Chakshuradi Karanebhyo Anyatve Sati. What is the hetu?
Tadbhava bhavitvam.
No. In Bhashya, what is the hetu in the Anumana?
Anaikantikatvat.
No, that is not the hetu in the Anumana.
Adrishyatva.
Adrishyatva. Adrishyatva is the hetu. So now you have to write the hetu in this way. Chakshuradi karanebhyo anyatve sati adrishyatvat. So Aditya Jyoti. Aditya Jyoti is not adrishya. It is drishya. But Atma Jyoti is Chakshuradi karanebhyo anyat. It is different from Chakshuradi karana. And it is adrishya. So Atma Jyoti has Chakshuradi karanebhyo anyatve sati adrishyatvam. And therefore it is antastham, and therefore also it is karya karana sanghata vilakshanam. Both will work, Siddhanti is saying. In the hetu, you have shown defect. We are saying that hetu should be read in this way, then it will work. So, Uktam Anudya and Purvapakshi's Anumanam, now that Vimatam, whatever Anuman was there, Jyotihi Sanghata Dharma, Tadbhava Bhavitvat, his Siddhanti is refuting it. Karya Karana Sanghata Dharmatvam, Jyotisha iti yad Uktam Tanna. You said this Atma Jyoti is Karya Karana Sanghata Dharma. It is not true. Tanna. Why Anumana Virodhat? Because there is Anumana Virodha. Those who do not have good background of Anumanam, I am not saying full Tarka Sangraha, but at least the Anumana part, you will find this topic a little bit challenging, because it is heavily in Bhashya, Tika, Tippani, everything is heavily based on Anumanam, and that we have been seen from last 4-5 sessions. Anuman Virodhat, second number Tippani. Asmad Anumanena Tava Anumana Badhat. By our Anumanam, your Anumana Badha has taken place. Anumana Virodham eva. So now what is that Anumana Virodha? Can you explain? He says yes. Adityadi Jyotihi. Adityadi Jyotirvat Karyakaran Sanghatad Arthantaram Jyotiriti hi Anumanam Uktam. Tena Virudhyata iti Virudhyata iyam pratignya Karyakaran Sanghata Dharmatvam Jyotisha iti. Adityadi Jyotirvat Karyakaran Sanghatat Arthantaram Jyoti. Jyoti is different from Karyakarana Sanghata. Aditya Jyoti is different from Karyakarana Sanghata. In Jagrata Avastha and Vyavahar is happening. In Swapna Avastha, Atma Jyoti is different from Karyakarana Sanghata. Karyakarana Sanghatat Arthantaram means it is a different object. Anyo Artha. Like Aditya Jyoti in Jagrat, Atma Jyoti in Swapna. Iti hi Anumanam Uktam. This is Siddhanti's Anumanam. Tena Virudhyate iyam pratignya. Your pratignya has virodha with our Anumanam, our pratignya. Your pratignya is Jyoti Sanghata Dharma. Siddhanti is Atma Jyoti is Karyakarana Sanghatat Arthantaram. What is the Viruddha Hetwabhasa? What is Viruddha Hetwabhasa?
Hetu is not there in Paksha. When in Sangata, if it is a part of Sangata.
No, don't go in Sanghata. What is Viruddha Hetwabhasa?
Oh.
Only one hetu, instead of proving correct sadhya, it proves wrong sadhya.
Pratignya Viruddha. What is the pratignya by one hetu? Same hetu can prove different sadhya. This is called Viruddha. What is Sat Pratipaksha? These things, if you, those who don't have clarity about what is Sat Pratipaksha and what is Viruddha and all, they will have a hard time.
Hetu is there in Paksha.
Hetu is there in Paksha. Sat Pratipaksha is Hetwabhasa. Hetu has to be there in Paksha. It is not Hetwabhasa.
Pratipaksha is existing, Swami.
What is Sat Pratipaksha?
There is a different hetu for the same sadhya.
What is the drishtanta for that?
Shabdo nityaha shravanatvat shabdatvavat. Shabdo anityaha karyatvat ghatavat.
So the pratignya will be different based on different hetu. It's called Sat Pratipaksha. But pratignya is different based on same hetu. It's Viruddha. So here Siddhanti is saying, Karyakarana Sanghatat Arthantaram Jyotihi. This Anumanam tena Virudhyate yam pratignya. Your pratignya is refuted by our Anumanam, our pratignya. कार्यकरण संघात धर्मत्वम ज्योतिष इति. Your pratigna that Jyotisha means this Atma Jyoti is Karya Karana Sanghata Dharma is not true. Because we have proved through Anumanam, Jyoti is Karya Karana Sanghatat Arthantara is different. So your Anumanam is refuted by our Anumanam. 4 number tippani, if you want, you see. Anumanam he gives. Vimatam sanghatad bhinnam tad bhasakatvat adityadivat iti anumanam uktam ityartha. Vimatam sanghatad bhinnam. Vimatam means Atma Jyoti. Atma Jyoti is different from Sanghata because it is illumining it like Aditya. That is eliminated. This hetu becomes badhita. Now you see he gives in Tika. Kalatyyapadesham uktva hetva siddhim doshantaram aha. Kalatyapadishtam. What is Kalatyapadishtam? Hetu? See, those who decide that they want to study Brahadaranyaka Upanishad, they want to study Brahma Sutra. Prasthanatrayi you cannot study if these concepts are not clear. You can see that. You have to have Tarka Sangraha thoroughly, you have to have Artha Sangraha thoroughly. Without these two, bigger texts you will not be able to study. You can log in, you can be present, you will not understand a word. You have to study properly. And you can see, I am not saying anything out of context. This is how it has to be. Kalatyapadishta means badhita. Kalena atyayena apadishta. Or kalasya atyayena apadishta. Kalatyapadishta. Kalasya atyaya means, let us say when ghata is produced. Is there kriya in ghata? Utpatti kale?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes. How? There is no kriya. In Nyaya Darshan, when ghata is produced, ghata doesn't have kriya. Ghata utpatti kriya is there in kulala. In ghata, where is kriya? Ghata is dravya. Dravya, prathama kshana, nirgunam nishkriyam. So there is no guna, there is no kriya. So if somebody will do anumana, ghato nirgunaha adravyatvat utpatti kshanavat. In utpatti kshana, yatha utpatti kshane darshanat something, some hetu. So in utpatti kshana, ghata is nirguna, nishkriya. So thereafter also ghata doesn't have rupa guna, gandha guna, etc. This anumanam is kalasya atyena, because after prathama kshana, they accept there is guna, there can be kriya, etc. So kalasya atyena apadishta. Apadishta. So when that kala is gone, then it is refuted or subject to refutation. So this hetu is subject to refutation over different period of time. When the time changes, then that hetu is not there. It is badhita. Kalatyapadishta means badhita. 8 number tippani. Badham. So kalatyapadesham uktva hetva siddhim doshantaram aha. Hetva siddhi dosha is said. भाष्य तद्भाव भावित्वम तु असिद्धम मृते देहे ज्योतिषो अदर्शनात्. This tadbhava bhavitvam, that jyoti is संघात धर्म भाव भावित्व. ज्योति है संघात धर्म भाव भावित्वम इज असिद्ध हेतु. तद्भाव भावित्वम तु असिद्धम. वाई? मृते देहे ज्योतिषो अदर्शनात्. In mrita deha, person who has died, deha is there. So according to Charvak, if deha is there, and if Jyotish is dharma of deha, karyakarana sanghata, then it should express the ability to know, but it doesn't have. Tadbhava bhavitvam is asiddham. Because in mrita deha, jyoti is not there. Jyotisho adarshanaat. Tika adarshanaat iti chhedaha. You have to do padachheda as jyotisho adarshanaat, not jyotisho darshanaat. These smaller Upanishads, Ishakena Katha Prashna Mundaka, Mandukya also not Tika and all, because Mandukya Tika also requires Tarka Sangha. Because all these Vaitatya Prakarana, Advaita Prakarana has Anumanam after Anumanam. And Brahadaranyaka, the 3 chapters of Chandogya, 6, 7, 8, with Bhashya Tika and Brahma Sutra, all advanced texts, they require the knowledge of this, at least the Pramana part of Tarka Sangraha, Haradi. And other Jnanam also, in plus Artha Sangraha also. So those who ignore that and they say, I want to complete Prasthantra, Swamiji, I want to complete Prasthantra, then I can go back to my hometown. It is not that easy. Adarshanaad iti chhedaha. Tika. Yat punar visheshe anugama abhavaha samanye siddha sadhyata iti anumana dushanam abhipretya samanyato drishtasya cha ityadi uktam tad dushayati. This is a shloka actually. 9 number tippani is where the Uttarardha is. So the shloka is like this. Visheshe nugama bhavaha samanye siddha sadhyata anuma bhanga pankesmin magna vadidan nimagna vadidantina dantinaha visarga also ekam. Anuma bhanga pankesmin nimagna vadidantinaha. This is the Uttarardha. Visheshe anugama abhavaha. This is samanyato drishta and visheshataha drishta. These 2 types of anumanam we saw earlier. Vishesha siddhi, if you try to do in Anumana. For example, if you see in Mahanasa, Dhuma Vanni Sahachara, and you do Vyapti, Yatra Yatra Mahanasiya Dhuma, Tatra Tatra Mahanasiya Vanni. If you do this Anumana, then you see Parvata. Parvata has Dhuma. Can you do Vanni Siddhi?
No, Swamiji.
Why not?
Mahanasi.
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 Huh? Why not? Who is giving answer?
It is not Mahanasiya Vahni.
No, Vanni, you are not seeing Vanni.
It is not Samanya Vyapti.
So what is the defect? You have to say that. Mahanasya Dhuma Vanni Vyapti will say, when I see Mahanasya Dhuma, there should be Mahanasya Vanni. But in Parvata, Mahanasya Dhuma is there.
No.
No. No.
Mahanasya Dhuma is not there. How will I do Parvatiya Vanni Siddhi? Neither I have Parvatiya Dhuma Vanni Vyapti, nor I have Mahanasya Dhuma available in Parvata. So this is, if you try to do Vishesha Anumana, that is said here. Vishesha, if there is a Vishesha Anumanam, Anugama Bhava, there will not be Anugama elsewhere. It will be only applicable in Mahanasa. Elsewhere, Mahanasya Dhuma Vanni Vyapti will not be there. And if someone says, no, let's not do Mahanasya Dhuma Vanni, just Samanya Vanni. Samanya Vanni is known through Pratyaksha Pramana only. What is known through Pratyaksha Pramana? In that, Siddha Sadhyata. Siddha Sadhanam. Siddha Sadhanam dosha means, if someone says, seeing Vanni, Ayam Koshta Vanniman. You say, I can see that Vanni. Why you have to do Anumana? It is Siddha Sadhana. We don't have objection. So if you do Vishesha Anumanam, there is no Anugama. If you do Samanya, where something is already known through Pratyaksha, it is Siddha Sadhyata. And Tika said, Anuma Bhanga Pankena. This Anumana Bhanga is the Panka, is the slush featured. Asmin Nimagnaha Vadi Dantinaha. These Vadi elephants, they are drowning in this slush, Nimagna. Iti Uttarardham. See, further he says, Visheshe Anugama iti Parvatiyadi Vanni Visheshe Sadhye Mahanase Tad Abhavat Drashtante Sadhya Vikalata Vanni Matre Samanya Sadhya. Visheshe Anugama. What is the meaning? Parvatiyadi Vanni Visheshe Sadhye. In Parvatiya Vanni Visheshe, Mahanasya Drashtanta Abhav will be there. And Sadhya Vikalata, Vanni Matra. In any Vanni, if you are trying to prove, it is Sadhya Vaikalya. Why? Sadhya Vikalata, Sadhya Vikalata is with the first one. After Sadhya Vikalata, you can put comma. And Vanni Matre Samanya Sadhye Tasya Kwapi Siddhataya. Samanya Vanni is Siddha through other means also. So therefore it is Siddha Sadhyata. And therefore there will be Ashraya Siddhi. What is Ashraya Siddhi?
Paksha is not there.
Paksha is Asiddha. So Paksha is Asiddha means, in this case, you will never have Paksha. Parvata can become Paksha if you try to prove that there is Dhuma in Parvata and then you have Vyapti from Mahanasa, but it is not Vishesha Vyapti. Then you can make Parvata as Paksha. If you have Vishesha Vyapti, Parvata cannot become Paksha. And whatever will be Paksha, there is already Siddha Sadhanata. So there will never be Ashraya, Ashraya Siddhi. And therefore Anumanam will never be Pramanam. Tathacha na Anumanam Manam iti bhava. Anumanam will never be Pramanam. इति in टीका अनुमान दूषणम अभिप्रेत्य सामान्यतो दृष्टस्य च इत्यादि उक्तम तद्दूषयति. अनुमान दूषणम अभिप्रेत्य showing the defect in the अनुमान. सामान्यतो दृष्टस्य च इत्यादि उक्तम तद्दूषयति. Siddhanti says if you eliminate all pramana like samanyato drishta, then what will be the dosha? सामान्यतो दृष्टस्य अनुमानस्य अप्रामाण्य सति पान भोजनादि सर्व व्यवहार लोप प्रसंग. सामान्यतो दृष्टस्य अनुमानस्य, if this अनुमानम becomes अप्रामाण्य सति पान भोजनादि all व्यवहार लोप प्रसंग will happen. How? Let us say I have thirst, okay, and water is there in front of me. How do I know water is the means to quench thirst? If I don't know, I will never drink, even if it is there in front. But if I can do anumanam, that last time when I was thirsty, jalam trisha nivritti hetuhu अथवा कारणम, तृषायाः निवृत्तेः कारणम जलम. Why? जलत्वात्. यथा पूर्व पीतम जलम, पूर्वम पीतम jalam. Earlier, the jalam that I had drank, so that had removed my kshuta, trisha. So now also I will drink jalam, I will remove my trisha. I can do this anumana. So, bhojana, pana, all this vyavahara is possible only because everybody does anumanam. Donkeys and monkeys and cows, they do anumanam. You have some roti or something in your hand, banana, they will come. You have a stick in your hand, they will run away. So Pashwadi Vishya Vishesha, they also know Anumana Prama. For Anumanam Samanya, you don't have to study Tarka Sangraha. Children also can do Anumanam. A chocolate is there, it is sweet, I like it. And you give 2-3 times to that child will start loving you. Why? He is doing Anumanam. This person is my Ishta Sadhana. That's so simple. So if Siddhanti says Samanyato Drishtasya Anumanasya Apramanya Sati, if you prove Samanyato Drishta Anumanam as Apramanam, Pana Bhojanadi Sarva Vyavahara Lopa Prasanga. What is Samanyato Drishta? 6 number tippani. Nitya Atindriyartha Anumapakasya Rupadi Jnanasya Ityartha. Who wants to explain this 6 number tippani? We have already seen this, so you should know.
Indriya Vishayas are Atindriya.
Indriya Vishayas are Atindriya or Indriyani are Atindriya?
Indriyas are Atindriya.
Somebody else. नित्य अतीन्द्रियार्थ अनुमापकस्य रूपादि ज्ञानस्य, if I am having rupa jnanam, then there are indriyas. Even though indriyas are atindriya, I cannot see them through pratyaksha pramana, but I can do anumana. That if there is rupadi jnanam, that means there is indriyam. And that indriyas are atindriya, because they are not known through other indriyas. Rupadi can be known through indriya, but indriyas are not known through indriya. But rupadi jnanam, so karya will give me jnanam of karanam. ठीक है, विशेषत्व दृष्टस्य इति अपि द्रष्टव्यम्. सामान्यतो दृष्टस्य अनुमानस्य. So somebody says, okay, सामान्यतो दृष्ट we will not refute अनुमान प्रमाण. विशेषतो दृष्ट अनुमानम we will refute. He says, no, not even that. विशेषतो दृष्ट is धूमादि. 11 नंबर टिप्पणी. विशेषतो दृष्टस्य प्रत्यक्ष योग्य अर्थ अनुमापकस्य धूमादेः द्विविधस्यापि तस्य अप्रामाण्ये सति इत्यर्थः. विशेषतो दृष्टस्य प्रत्यक्ष योग्य, it is प्रत्यक्ष योग्य अर्थ अनुमापकस्य धूमादेः, because साध्य सिद्धि will happen through धूमादि. This is विशेषतो दृष्ट. So द्विविधस्यापि तस्य, सामान्य and विशेष both. In भाष्य. So पान भोजनादि सर्व व्यवहार लोप प्रसंगः सचा निष्ठः. What is sa? सह कः? सह is
Lopa prasangah.
not prasanga. Vyavahar lopa. Vyavahar lopa is anishta. Vyavahar lopa should not happen. Pana bhojanadi vyavahar everybody does. So this lopa is undesirable. Tika. Kimiti anumana apramanya sarva vyavahar hani rityashanka. If anuman becomes apramana, why sarva vyavahar hani will take place? He says, Pana bhojanadishu hi kshut pipasadi nivrittim upalabdhavatas tat samanyat pana bhojanadi upadanam drishyamanam lokena prapnoti. Pana bhojanadishu hi kshut pipasadi nivrittim. In pana bhojana etc. Kshut pipasadi nivrittim, the hunger, thirst, etc. They can be eliminated through food, drinks, all these. Nivrittim upalabdhavataha, the one who has this jnanam, tat samanyat pana bhojanadi upadanam drishyamanam lokena prapati. Pana bhojanadi upadanam, upadanam grahanam. In the world, nobody will pick up food or drink if they don't know that this has the ability to remove my kshut pipasa. टीका तत् सामान्यात् पानत्व भोजनत्वादि सादृश्यात् इति यावत्. तत् सामान्य पानत्व भोजनत्व is samanam. Earlier I had in that there was panatva bhojanatva. Now it is available that also has panatva bhojanatva. So therefore it has kshut pipasa nivritti samarthyam. पान भोजनादि उपादानम दृश्यमानम इति उक्तम विशदयति. पान भोजनादि उपादानम दृश्यमानम, this grahanam which is known, which is seen, he elaborates विशदयति. दृश्यन्ते हि उपलब्ध पान भोजनाः सामान्यतः पुनः पान भोजनान्तरैः क्षुत्पिपासादि निवृत्तिम् अनुमिन्वन्तः तादर्थ्येन प्रवर्तमानः अनुमिन्वन्तः अनुमानं कुर्वन्तः उपलब्धपान भोजनाः हाउ विल यू डू समास विग्रह पानञ्च भोजनञ्च इति पानभोजने उपलब्धम उपलब्धे पानभोजने यैः ते उपलब्धपान भोजनाः those who have received attained this पान भोजन etc. सामान्यतः इन भाष्य सामान्यतः पुनः पान भोजनांतरे ही क्षुत्पिपासादि निवृत्तिम again if I have this again hunger thirst will go this anuminvantah this kind of anumanam they can do तादर्थ्येन प्रवर्तमानः so they engage for this in टीका तादर्थ्येन क्षुत्पिपासादि निवृत्ति उपाय भोजन पानादि अर्थत्वेन इति यावत् तादर्थ्येन means क्षुत्पिपासादि निवृत्ति उपाय भोजन पान etc. they have with this intention they will engage. How will this understanding come? Through anumana pramana. And Purvapakshi had said dehasyaiva drashtritvam iti uktam anudya purvoktam pariharam smarayate. Deha alone is drashta, shrota, manta, vijnata. Why do you need atma? Charvak, this is how they will say. Dehasyaiva drashtritvam. So purvoktam pariharam smarayate. Yaduktam ayam eva tu deho darshanadi kriya karta. This body alone is darshanadi kriya karta. This is what you said. दर्शनादि क्रिया करता इति तत्प्रथममेव परिहृतम् स्वप्न स्मृत्योर देहाद अर्थांतर भूतो दृष्टा इति प्रथममेव परिहृतम् this that deha is drashta shrota karta manta we have already refuted it. Why? Swapna smrityoho dehat arthantar bhuto drashta. Swapna, Smriti, they all have Dehad Arthantara Bhuto Drashta. The Drashta is different from Deha in Swapna as well as in Smriti. This we have already, Siddhanti says, refuted. Jyotirantaram Adityadivat Anatma iti ukta. Now, Purvapakshi had said, no, that Adityadi Jyoti is Anatma. So, Atma Jyoti also will be Anatma. Different from Sanghata. He says he refutes that. Anenaiva jyotihi jyotirantarasya anatmatvam api pratyuktam. By this same anumana, jyoti is anatma, even that we have refuted. Anatmatvam api pratyuktam. Anena means by what hetu? Tika. Sanghatader drashtrutva nirakaranena. That Sanghata is not drashta. Different from Sanghata, there is some drashta. That has to be Atma. If Sanghata is not Atma, whatever else is there, that Jyoti has to be different from Sanghata and interior to Sanghata. Antastham vilakshanam. That is Atma. Dehasya kadachitkam darshanadimatvam swabhavikam iti atra paroktam drashtantam anubhashya nirachaste. Dehasya kadachitkam darshanadimatvam. The Deha is there sometimes able to see, sometimes Deha is not seeing. It is swabhavikam, Purvapakshi had said. It is like Khadyota. With this drishtanta, paroktam drishtantam, 9 number tippani, he gives that. So that nirachaste, that is also being refuted. We keep up to here. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।